Welcome back to the Cherry Tree children. Children, hope you all have seen the previous video, the part 1 of Cherry Tree, right? And today we will discuss the part 2 where we are going to discuss about the development of the cherry tree. So what was the last event which we have discussed? Yes, when it was about 2 feet high, suddenly a goat entered the garden and ate all the leaves. Only the main stem and 2 thin branches were left. Yes, so this was the time when the boy was very sad. Then the grandfather said, "It's okay, never mind, don't be upset. Cherry trees are tough." So what is the meaning of cherry trees are tough? Means cherry trees are strong. It will take some time, but one day they will definitely grow. This old man is trying to console the little boy. So by the monsoon time ends, this tree was quite developed. Gradually, it was growing. But then another challenge. You know what was that? The second challenge which it faced was that the woman cutting grass has cut the cherry tree into two. So now what happened, children? The cherry tree was cut into two. Again, this boy was upset because he wanted this tree to grow fast. But when he saw all these struggles and challenges, he was broken. He was shattered. He was upset. All his hopes were shattered. And he was thinking that this tree will not survive. It may die now. Although the grandfather scolded. Can you see the old man, the grandfather scolding a lady here? Yeah. So although the grandfather scolded the woman for cutting the cherry plant, then also nothing could be done, right? It cannot be repaired or rediscovered as it's gone away. Yes. So now both the grandfather and the boy were upset and both thought the same. They were thinking that this time this tree will not survive. It is going to die. Like they were losing their hopes. So children, by the time summer came round again, the cherry tree had sent out several new shoots with tender green leaves. So what is the meaning of shoots, children? Part of a plant that grows from the ground when a plant starts to grow. Yes? Yeah. Now this Rakesh had grown taller too. He was 8 years, a sturdy boy. What is the meaning of sturdy? Strong. Now Rakesh was a sturdy boy with black hair and deep black eyes. And his grandfather used to call him Blackberry. So that monsoon, this little Rakesh, he went to his village to help his mother and father with the planting and all that stuff. So once he was back to his grandfather's house at the end of the rains, he found that the cherry tree had grown another foot. So now it was up to his chest. So in monsoon, although it was raining, this little Rakesh was watering the tree. Why do you think he was watering the tree, children? What is the need? Yes, because he wanted to show his affection. He was loving the tree so much. And also he wanted to show the tree, yes, I'm there for you. So he was watering even in the monsoon. This time winters came early, and you know what happened? When it was snow, this cherry tree was bent down with the weight of the snow. So sometimes there is a climatic change, sometimes other struggles and challenges, sometimes a goat has come. So this tree has faced a lot of challenges. But now towards the end, we have to see whether after facing so many struggles, this tree survived or destroyed. So in the month of February, it was Rakesh's birthday and he was 9 and the tree was 4. So what was the age of the tree now? It's 4. So one morning when the sun came out, the grandfather came into the garden and he stopped in front of the cherry tree. He stared at it. Means he looked at it for a moment and then he called out, "Rakesh, come and look. Come quickly before it falls." Then this little boy, Rakesh, he came. And Rakesh and his grandfather, they gazed at the tree as though it had performed a miracle. Can you guess what did they see, children? Yeah, there was a pale pink blossom at the end of a branch. So what is the meaning of blossom? Blossom means flower. After flower, what will come? Fruit. Yes, now suddenly the tree was taller than Rakesh. Later, bees also started coming there to collect the nectar. Similarly, birds also started coming there to taste the fruit. Yes, so that summer, there were small cherries. That summer, the cherry tree started fruiting. and Rakesh tasted one and spat it out immediately. So what is spat? It's a second form of verb. The first is spit. And why do you think he spat? He spat because the cherry was very sour. So the grandfather told the boy, they will be better next year. So one afternoon, this little boy Rakesh was looking for his grandfather and he did not find his grandfather in any of his favorite places around the house. So suddenly he then looked out of the bedroom window and he saw his grandfather reclining on a cane chair under the cherry tree. Can you see the image of the grandfather reclining on the cane chair, children? Yes. So he went to his grandfather. So they both were discussing about, the little seed has made a huge difference in their lives. And they were discussing, this is a small tree seed and transformed into a huge tree. They were discussing about the leaves and everything. And, now comes the very important question, children. See, the little boy is asking his grandfather, there are so many trees in the forest. What's so special about this tree? Why do we like it so much? Then the grandfather replied, we planted it ourselves. That's why it's special. So this little boy is asking his grandfather, there are so many trees in the forest, and what's so special about this tree? Why do we like it so much? Then the grandfather is replying, yes, we like it because we planted it ourselves. That's why it's very special. So children, see the last line. I wonder, Rakesh whispered, is that what it feels to be God? So who is the speaker, children? Yes, Rakesh is the speaker. So why is he talking about God? See, God has created us, right? Yes. So he is the creator of human beings. Similarly, in this story, who is the creator of the cherry tree? Yes, it is Rakesh. So Rakesh has created the cherry tree. So generally, who is the creator? The person who creates. God has created human beings. We are the creation of the God. Yes, similarly, the creator of the cherry tree is Rakesh. So this boy, he was feeling himself to be God. He was feeling very proud. Okay, so this is all about the lesson Cherry Tree. So what is the moral we have learned from this story, children? So this story has an underlying message about the importance of trees, and it mainly stresses on the struggle against the adversities. Means what? The unpleasant situations of life, and how dedication and desire to survive can help any living object to come out of it. So though the cherry tree had many threats from the goat, the woman cutting grass, and the climatic conditions, it did not give up. Yes, it did not give up. It had no intention of dying at all. So the moral of the story is that to grow, you need to keep moving despite all the difficulties life throws at you. So children, here is a small activity for you all. State in about 50 words your opinion on cutting trees. Suggest at least one solution. Document the changing of seasons in pictures. Thank you so much, children.